Can't find the campaign you need buried in a messy dashboard? We've all been there. Welcome to eProlo Academy, your go-to resource for mastering e-commerce. In this episode, we're diving deep into one of the most fundamental elements of an Amazon campaign, the ad group. Why mention Amazon ad group? Well, when used the right way, ad groups don't just help you manage your ads more efficiently, they unlock growth opportunities that are often hiding right in front of you. They're not just about keeping things organized, they're your secret weapon for improving campaign performance without spending extra money. So today, I'll walk you through exactly how to group your ads the smart way, so you can make the most out of every click, every keyword, and every dollar. Buckle up, let's get started. First things first, what exactly is an Amazon ad group? If you're new to Amazon ads, this might be unfamiliar territory. An ad group is a way to organize your ads within a campaign. Think of it like dividing a toolbox. Instead of throwing all your tools in one drawer, you sort them by function: screwdrivers, wrenches, pliers, so you can find and use the right one instantly. That's exactly what ad groups do for your Amazon ads. They allow you to categorize ads based on factors like brand, product category, or targeting strategy. When done correctly, this structure lets you run campaigns with smarter bidding, more precise targeting, and far better visibility into what's actually working. And when you know what's working, you can scale it. So, what's the best way to group your ads? Typically, there are 3 key criteria to consider: product variation, match type, and keywords. Let's start with product variation. Suppose you're selling a product like reusable water bottles, and they come in 5 different colors and 2 sizes. You don't want to create a separate ad group for every single variation. That would be a nightmare to manage. Instead, group similar variations together within one ad group. This approach helps your entire product line gain exposure because Amazon treats the parent ASIN as one unified listing. So if one variant starts performing well, it can lift the others. It's a win-win: better visibility, higher chances of conversion, and an easier way to manage performance across the board. Next up, match type. Amazon offers 3 match types, including broad, phrase, and exact, and mixing them all in one ad group is a recipe for confusion. If you lump them together, you won't know which match type is actually bringing in your sales. You could be wasting money on broad matches that attract unqualified traffic, while your exact matches, the ones doing the real work, get buried in the data. The fix? Create separate ad groups for each match type. That way, you can clearly track which strategy is most effective, allocate your budget accordingly, and fine-tune bids with precision. Then there's keyword grouping, another make-or-break strategy. Let's say you're selling skincare products. You've got one product targeting vitamin C serum and another targeting anti-aging cream. Even if both products fall under the same brand umbrella, the buyer intent behind those keywords is completely different. Someone searching for a vitamin C serum is likely looking to brighten their skin and fade dark spots. Someone searching for anti-aging cream wants to smooth wrinkles. These keywords should live in entirely separate ad groups. Mixing them waters down your message, reduces ad relevance, and ultimately drags down your campaign's performance. Grouping by keyword theme allows you to write better ad copy, create more relevant landing experiences, and increase your chances of converting. Now that you know how to group your campaigns, let's talk about setting up ad groups for multi-variation products. These groups have different versions, sizes, and colors under one product page. Here are some setups you can choose. The first option is one campaign with all ASIN variations sharing keywords and bids. This places all variants in a single campaign and ad group. It's easy to launch and perfect for early-stage testing with little performance data. But the downside? All ASINs share keywords and bids, limiting variant-specific optimization. Second, one campaign with multiple ad groups using different keywords and bids. This gives more control. Each ad group has different ASIN variations with its own keywords and bidding strategy. Great for A/B testing themes or variants and adjusting bids based on performance. Third, multiple campaigns with single or multiple ad groups. Each campaign focuses on particular products or ASIN groups. This setup gives better control over budget and bidding, especially when products perform differently. Lastly, strategic ad combinations. Sometimes you want to group ASINs within the same campaign or ad group to test performance or focus on seasonal promotions. This lets you experiment and find the best converting groups. There are a lot of ways to set up campaigns for multivariant products, and what works best depends on your Amazon Ads know-how. If you're a newbie, start simple and level up your game as you go. Before running ads for your multivariation products, you should identify the key ASINs inside your ad groups. One major reason to use ad groups is to manage campaigns efficiently and drive the best results. Finding your top-performing ASINs helps you decide where to pour your ad dollars to get the biggest returns. So, how do you find these golden ASINs? Start by putting all your ASINs into one ad group and launching automatic ads. Automatic ads don't ask you for keywords up front. They collect data on their own, revealing what keywords actually pull in traffic and sales. This lets you spot winners organically. After the testing, you'll notice some ASINs performing well, while others did not. Double down on those high performers by placing them in separate campaigns or ad groups for tighter control and targeted bidding. For those underperforming ones, consider pausing them or sending them into a low-budget group to keep an eye on. To wrap things up, ad groups aren't just an organizational tool, they're a performance booster. When used strategically, they give you the clarity and control needed to run highly efficient campaigns. By grouping your ads based on product variations, match types, and keyword themes, you set a solid foundation. When you layer in multi-variation setups and prioritize top-performing ASINs, you start running campaigns that don't just perform, they scale. You'll spend smarter, waste less, and grow faster. Thanks for watching this episode of eProlo Academy. If you found this helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Amazon advertising strategies coming your way soon. See you in the next video.